Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see explain data loss prevention reporting capabilities. Well, after you create data loss prevention policies, you need to verify and monitor the performance of the DLP policies in production. This is an important recurring task for an organization to ensure they stay compliant with policies while minimizing impact on user productivity. Now, you can do this through DLP Activity Explorer and reports. The Activity Explorer tab on the DLP page has multiple filters we can use to view DLP events. So let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. So when you are on the compliance.microsoft.com, please go to DLP. It will be here, data loss prevention. You click on Activity Explorer. Now use this to review activity related to content that contains sensitive info or has labels applied, such as what labels were changed, files were modified, and match the rule. So we can view the last 30 days of DLP information in the Activity Explorer by using some pre-configured filters, which are endpoint DLP activities, files containing sensitive info types, egress activities, DLP policies that detected activities, DLP policy rules that detected activities. If the auditing is not turned on, please turn on the auditing from the portal. You can do it through PowerShell as well. And to access the DLP report, you can also use PowerShell and the security and compliance PowerShell modules. You can connect it through connect-IP session and use the export activity explorer data commandlet to export activities from data classification activity explorer. So this is the data DLP, and you can go to data classification as well, and you check on activity explorer here as well in the compliance portal to check out the activities related to data classification. And then you can use the built-in filters that I was discussing about a minute ago to explore the data. So the contextual summary of this would be that you can see the text that surrounds the matched content, like a credit card number in a DLP rule match, event in Activity Explorer. And as I said before, you must enable the advanced classification, scanning, and protection. I will discuss more on this as well. And if you want to see the data loss prevention alerts in the Microsoft Defender for Cloud Apps dashboard, you can view a report for DLP alerts in the Defender for Cloud Apps dashboard as well. If you see that here, or if there would be a separate portal about it. It would be here on the inside this portal, but there would be a dashboard, Cloud Apps. And you can select each alert or match to gain the information about it. And if you talk about managing permissions for data loss prevention reports, to view DLP reports in the Microsoft Purview compliance portal, you should be assigned the role of security reader, or a view only DLP compliance management role, or view only recipients. So a member of the compliance team who read DLP policy reports need permissions to the Microsoft Purview compliance portal. And by default, the tenant admin has access to this location and can give compliance officers and other people access to the Microsoft Purview compliance portal without giving them all the permissions of a tenant admin. And you can create a role group on the permissions page. If we go here, Let me see where I will see the permissions page on the Purview portal. User access. So to create a role group on the permissions page, you click on roles and scope on the compliance.portal.com. You go to permissions, Microsoft Purview Solutions, click on roles. Now while creating a role group, use the choose role section. These are the by default roles, which is a built-in role here. Okay, you can create a role group. Mention anything. Select roles or choose roles to add the following role. View only DLP. You can do this. It's not coming up. So after you choose the role, then you choose the members to add the members to the role group, and you can also create a role group with admin privileges to the DLP policies and DLP reports by granting the DLP compliance management role. Okay, I hope this was informative for all of you. If you have any further questions, please mention them in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.